Hello, future travelers. Welcome back to Legalopolis. In today's video, we will explore the common business visa categories available in the United States. These are in brief: number 1, business visitors, that is B1 visa; number 2, that is business visa for professionals, H1B, TN, E3, and H1B1; number 3, intra-company transferees, that is L1 visa; number 4, foreign nationals of extraordinary ability, O1; and number 5, treaty traders and investors visa, that is E1 and E2. Let's begin by looking at B1 visa. Friends, the B1 visa is suitable for those of you foreign nationals who wish to enter the United States to conduct legitimate business activities such as attending meetings, participating in conferences, or collaborating on joint development projects. It is important that these activities that you perform in the United States must benefit your foreign employer, and you must be on the foreign company's payroll. Typically, the duration of B1 visa ranges somewhere between 3 to 6 months, but it can be extended for up to a year depending upon the nature of business activities. However, at the same time, do remember that US border officers have the discretion to decide the duration of stay, and it is possible that they might grant you shorter stays. And in order to apply for B1 visa, no USCIS petition is required, and the application is made directly at a US consulate. Friends, I have made a detailed video on B1 visa. Be sure to check it out for more detailed insight and interview preparation. Next, let's look at H1B visa. The H1B visa is available to professionals working in specialty occupations that require specific expertise. And in order to qualify for an H1B visa, the job must require at least a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience. Under the 3-for-1 rule, 3 years of relevant work experience can count as 1 year of college. H1B visa allows for stays up to 6 years, with possible extensions if the individual is pursuing permanent residency. Each year, 65,000 H1B visas are made available. Additionally, 20,000 visas are set aside for individuals with US advanced degrees. The application period for H1B visa starts every April for employment beginning in the next fiscal year. Although it's worth noting that certain organizations such as higher education institutions, non-profit research organizations, and non-profits affiliated with universities are exempt from the annual cap. Friends, I've made a detailed video on the H1B visa. Make sure to check it out for more detailed insight and excellent interview preparation. Now friends, let's look at the H1B1 visa, which is available for professionals from Chile and Singapore. Each year, 6,800 of H1B1 visas are made available as part of the overall H1B cap. Applicants for this visa need to apply at a US consulate. No USCIS petition is needed to apply for this visa, but a labor condition application, that is LCA, is mandatory. Your job must be in a specialty occupation similar to the H1B visa. The duration of initial stay is 1 year and it can be renewed annually. And unlike the H1B visa, the H1B1 visa does not allow for dual intent. Next friends, similar to H1B1 visa, there is the TN visa specifically for Canadian and Mexican professionals. The TN visa was established under the North American Free Trade Agreement, that is NAFTA, which is now known as USMCA, that is United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement. In order to qualify, individuals must work in a job listed under the United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, that is USMCA. The visa allows for an initial stay of 3 years and allows for an option to renew it in 3-year increments. Canadians can apply for TN visa directly at a US port of entry or at a service center, while Mexicans need to apply TN visa at a US consulate. Similarly, there is a special visa category for Australian professionals, and that is E3 visa. The E3 visa is available for Australian professionals who need to work in the United States in specialty occupations. Each year, there are 10,500 E3 visas allocated. Please note the E3 visa category is specifically for Australian professionals and has its own annual limit, which is distinct from H1B visa category, which has a separate cap for specialty occupations. Australian nationals who wish to apply for E3 visa must apply at a US consulate. There is no requirement of filing a petition with USCIS, but a labour condition application, that is LCA, must be submitted. The E3 visa grants the visa holder an initial stay of 2 years and allows for indefinite renewals as long as the conditions of E3 are maintained. Another unique benefit of E3 visa is that it allows the spouses of E3 visa holders to work in the United States. Next, friends, let's explore the L1 visa, which enables companies to transfer employees from their international branches to their US offices. There are two types of L1 visas: L1A for executives and managers, and L1B for employees with specialized knowledge. To be eligible to apply for L1 visa, the US company must have a qualifying relationship with the overseas entity, such as a parent company, subsidiary, affiliate, branch, or joint venture. The applicant who is an employee of the foreign company must have worked for the foreign company for at least 1 year within the past 3 years before their transfer to the United States. The L1 visa allows for a stay of up to 7 years, while the L1B visa permits stay for up to 5 years. Additionally, spouses of L1 visa holders can apply for work authorization in the United States. Friends, I have made a detailed video on the L1 visa. Be sure to check it out for more detailed insight and excellent interview preparation. Next, we will cover the E-visas, that is the E1 and the E2 visas, which are non-immigrant visas designed for citizens of countries that have a treaty of friendship, commerce, and navigation with the United States. The E1 visa is intended for individuals who will engage in substantial trade, primarily between the United States and their home country. On the other hand, the E2 visa is for those who wish to develop and manage an enterprise where they have invested or are in the process of investing a significant amount of capital. Both visa types are available to business owners, managers, executives, and employees involved in trade or investment activities. To be eligible, the US company must have a qualifying relationship with the foreign company, such as a parent, subsidiary, affiliate, and the majority ownership must be held by nationals of the treaty country. Additionally, the foreign national must be a citizen of the treaty country. The E1 visa requires the individual to serve in a managerial or essential skills role, while the E2 visa requires the individual to play a key role in the enterprise, whether as an investor, qualified manager, or highly skilled employee. Spouses of E-visa holders are also allowed to work in the United States. And friends, last but not the least, we come to the O visa. The O1 visa is designed for foreign nationals who possess extraordinary ability in various fields such as sciences, education, arts, business, and athletics. In order to qualify, the applicants must meet specific criteria depending on their field of extraordinary achievement. They must be among a very small percentage at the top of their profession and must have consistent national or international recognition for their achievements. If they are in the motion picture or TV industry, then these individuals must be recognized as outstanding or leading in their field. As far as the arts are concerned, Applicants must be prominent or well known in areas like fine arts, visual arts, and performing arts. So, friends, I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and clear understanding of the different US business visas, from the B1 for short term business visas to the H1B for specialty professionals, and from the E1 and E2 for treaty traders and investors to the O1 for individuals with extraordinary abilities. Each visa type offers unique benefits and requirements and serves a specific purpose. I hope this video has made the process easier for you to understand and navigate. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and do consider subscribing for more immigration insights. I wish you all the very best in your upcoming visa journey. May your visa application be met with success. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels!